Stop dreading the endless hours of manual pool maintenance because the Beatbot Sora 10 is essentially a high-tech cleanup crew that makes your pool look professionally serviced without you ever lifting a finger. If you've ever felt like your pool is more work than it is enjoyment, this robot is about to change your entire summer. It's packed with a massive 6,800 GPH suction power that makes short work of everything from stubborn debris on the floor to that annoying grime buildup right at the waterline. What really stands out here is how smart it is. Thanks to its advanced navigation, it maps your pool out perfectly, ensuring it hits the walls, floors, and even those tricky shallow areas, so you're left with nothing but crystal clear, sparkling water. The sheer convenience of this thing is on another level, especially if you lead a busy life. With a staggering 300-minute runtime, it doesn't need to be babied or constantly plugged in. And when it's finally done with the job, it uses a super cool self-waterline parking feature to wait for you right where it's easy to grab. You can control everything right from your phone via the app, and since it supports OTA updates, the robot actually gets smarter and more efficient over time. It's rugged, incredibly effective, and honestly, the mint green design looks pretty slick sitting on your pool deck too. Beyond the tech, this vacuum is just built to handle the heavy lifting that other cleaners miss. It doesn't just wander around aimlessly. It's precise, reliable, and gives you that worry-free ownership experience where you can just jump in for a swim whenever you want, knowing the pool is pristine. If you're ready to stop spending your weekend scrubbing and start actually using your pool the way it was meant to be enjoyed, click the link below for the best price.